Today, we're going to be taking a look at a P0058 trouble code. We're going to be understanding the diagnosis, symptoms, and solutions of this code. So if you're having issues, today's video, we're going to go over that. Now, let's get into it with a brief introduction so we don't waste your time. Now, the P0058 indicates a high voltage issue, and it affects the heater control circuit. Now, it'll be located in bank 2 sensor 2, and it impacts emissions and fuel efficiency. Now, moving on, the symptoms of the P0058 is there's going to be a check engine light on. Now, that's probably how you got this code, but moving on here, you're going to experience poor fuel economy. So if you notice that your car is, gas guzzling more than usual, then that is a symptom of this. But moving on here, engine performance becomes rough. If you notice that you have rough idle, or maybe your car bogs out, maybe in the middle of traffic, that's just your engine performance being reduced due to this code. Now, failed emission test results, if you go in for a smog check and your car doesn't pass emissions, this is due to this code coming up because it has something to do with emissions. So if you notice that your car is not passing, then that is the symptom of this code. Moving on is a common cause of this code, P0058. Now, common causes has to do with a faulty heated oxygen sensor. You can have wiring or connectors that are damaged, blown fuses in the heater circuit, or any ECM related issues. Now, P0058 diagnostic steps that you can take is you can inspect the wiring and connectors. You can also check the heater circuit fuse, measure the resistance with the multimeter, and scan for any additional codes. Now, fixing P0058 issues. Now, if you want to fix this, we will go ahead and, tell you that replacing a faulty oxygen sensor, if it is needed, is one way in fixing this code. You can also repair or replace damaged wiring or replace any blown fuses promptly. And you can also validate if the ECM functionality is there with, a tester, or you could even take it to an auto shop and have them test it. But conclusion on the P0058 code is understanding P0058 is crucial. Diagnosis prevents future issues, and any timely repairs are very important as it'll just improve your performance, and it will kind of, not give you any issues because you are getting ahead of it ahead of time. But it also ensures that emission standards are met because you won't have a P0058 code. So if you guys are not really confident in taking this job up on yourself, I would highly suggest that you contact a certified technician to get a hold of your vehicle and diagnose themselves. However, if you feel confident, go ahead and do what you want with your car. Try to fix that P0058 code. Anyways, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. We'll be sure to answer it with a comprehensive reply. Also, check out our catalog on OBD Mastery, where we have many other codes, many other cause symptom solution videos that you can take a look at, and you kind of get an insight of what you're tackling when going against these codes. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and we'll see you until next time.